like this dandy right there. That fucking car, that fucker was over this way, and back that way, back over this way, back over that way. Get out of the way. This in my fucking way is all. Too bad the girls weren't working down here on Front Street tonight. I stopped and get my fifth wheel greased. How about any of you guys ever had your fifth wheels greased? Oh hell. Fucking blowing ass shit. Yeah, I knew it was gonna happen too. I shut the camera off the last time. And it wasn't 30 seconds I come around the corner and that fucking car was all sideways and he held on to her and saved her, but she was all sideways. Been a perfect shot for the camera. Man, look at that fucking road. Just nothing but snow. Alright, I got to, hold on a minute here. It's kind of tough driving with one fucking hand. Can't see. I gotta go.